Okay, so every day we bring the babies out and we check them and look them over, make sure that they're growing and healthy. We check their collar to make sure it's not too tight. If it is, we have collars that we replace it with, and we weigh them so we can keep track of their weight the whole time they're growing. If anybody has lost a day or has stayed the same, we have a little mixture called glop. It's super high calorie, healthy proteins that we give them just a tiny bit, and it usually turns them into great nursers, and they usually bounce right back up really fast. The next one, we look her over, check her to make sure everything's okay, that she doesn't have any diarrhea or anything. Then we weigh her. 5.1. How's your baby? And of course we give them some loves. Get them used to being held by humans. It's part of their socializing. Huh. Yeah, it is. Every kitten gets checked physically twice a day. One, I bring them out here. The other check I do in their nest. 4.5 yellow. Yeah. Hello. You're good. You're doing pretty good. You see that cute little face? These babies, this is Carmel's litter. These babies are 3 days old. And so we're very careful with them. They still have their umbilical cord. We check that to make sure it's safe and dry. We're starting to see some markings, but they're still pretty faint. Lime 5.4. Like this one, you can start to see that it looks like this one's going to be a little blue or a little mitted, or I'm sorry, a bicolor. You can kind of see the white V, but it's hard to tell. We check the ears for their final color. This one is going to be a mink kitten, but we're not sure what the color will be, the final color. Huh. Yeah. Such a sweet baby. You're such a sweet baby. Purple here. This is the runt. She's little, but she's not too far behind because we take such care of them every day. If we didn't take care of them every day, and she's actually been tube fed a couple times just to catch her up. 4.4. See, she's right there with everybody. She's only 0.1 behind the next kitten, and when she was born she was almost 2 ounces less. But because we weigh her, we've weighed her, and she's been tube fed glop twice to catch her up, she has gained and is doing really, really well. So that helps keep our babies, all of our babies, healthy. Okay, we have one more. We have teal.
You haven't done the black one.
We started with the black one.
Oh, did you? Okay.
Yeah. So there's teal. Cute baby. They get used to being held, and then they're very calm. Let's put you in here. 5.1. So everybody gained. Everybody gained like good babies are supposed to. Everybody gained like good babies are supposed to. You're doing what you're supposed to do. Sweet babies. Good babies. And this is Carmel's litter. She had 6.